In this video, let's talk about how to fix YouTube Music not working. So if you come across this issue where the YouTube Music platform is currently having issues, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do in this situation is try to reinstall the application of YouTube Music onto your device. So using the Play Store or the App Store, simply re-download the application and try to see if the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out is head over and use a different device. So for example, if you're currently using the YouTube Music within your Android device or your iOS device, you can simply head over to your desktop or laptop and try to see if you can use the platform there. If the platform is having issues within the new device as well, or using the web version as well, this simply means that the server is facing issues. In this situation, you just need to wait out a few minutes, maybe sometimes even a couple of hours before the issue is automatically solved. So I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.